Hey guys, thank you for coming back to another video. Today, I'm going to be showing y'all what's inside of my tackle box. This is my brand new tackle box I got. Got it for Christmas. I love it. You can see all the compartments down there. And I got my rods. Whoa. My rods right here. I'll be showing y'all those as well. And I'm actually going fishing today. I might be, I'm not sure. And I'm going to take the camera along with me just because I'll have a certain amount of time to fish. I want to get some fishing in because this is going to be like the first time I've been fishing this year. And yeah, so let's get started. Okay guys, back. I'm going to be showing y'all what's in these parts, this big part, these sides, and this part. So let's start off with these. Oh, scared me. I got this little crankbait right there. I have this crankbait about the same. These are all stuck together. I got some bigger crankbaits, some smaller crankbaits. Pretty sure they're called crankbaits. Not 100% sure if they're called crankbaits. But got that one right there. Oh my gosh, they're all tangled up. And this bigger one right here. Some of these baits came in the box. Some of them didn't come in the box. Some of them I had. But that bigger one over here on this side, I got in this box. And this one came with it too. This other bigger crankbait. It's got red eyes. And I have this crankbait as well. It's got red hooks. I think it's to imitate its bleeding. Red hooks. And now I have these two poppers. They're kind of stuck together. That's the thing about treble hooks. They get caught on everything. Got that popper with a little tail right there. I have this popper, blue and white popper. Okay, that's everything on the side. I mostly keep my top waters on the sides. Okay, now let's move to this part right here. Ain't got really a lot in here. I have sideways. I have these. I haven't opened these yet. Top water baits. Two small ones and a bigger one in the middle. I have these purple tail worms. I love these worms. I have one on my fishing rod and on my bait caster. Purple tail worms. I mean pink tail worms, not purple tail. Pink tail worms. I have this line. This is some old line. I don't know what pound. It's 100 yards though, but I don't know what pound. It's scratched off right there. I have this Abu Garcia oil. I have that in here. I got some of these hooks. They're size 4 and 0 and quality whatever 25. They are H2O Express. I just threw those. My bad. I use these as worm hooks basically. Got some leaders. Some Eagle Claw. Yeah, Eagle Claw leaders. Haven't used those yet. And I got stuff hanging around everywhere. Got these pliers. I never had a good set of pliers ever. Except when I'm working, then I got a good set, but good pliers. Got some weights. Right there, this little thing. I love these little packages right here. Got some of these barrel swivels. I think that's barrel swivels. Haven't used these yet. Brand new. Ain't open them. Got some of this mosquito repellent that's open. This came with it. All these beetle spins came with it too. I got this whole thing right here is full of them. All right there, it's full of these things. So let's put all this stuff back. I really gotta organize this. It is not organized at all. Just throw it in. Yeah, there we go. And my pliers. There we go. Now let's move. What in the world is going on here? Oh my gosh. There. Now let's move. This thing's heavy. To this part. I'll get to these in a minute. This part, I have my box boxes. Most of my top waters in here. I got poppers, crankbaits, top water, crickets, grasshoppers, this thing, swim bait, frogs. I love these little frogs. Got that little frog, this little frog, this little frog. Got these at Walmart. Got these, forgot what they're called. Forgot what they're called, but I got one of them on there too. I got this little popper. This came with it too, as well. That little popper. I just can't remember baits today. Got this one. This is basically just all my stuff I just throw in there. I got worms all right there, just loose. 2 or 3 corks that are chipped with gunshot shells. Oh my gosh, I cannot talk today. Got some clippers, some bullet weights, and some just regular weights and worms and all kinds of stuff. Mostly the same in here, but I got beetle spins all right there, corks or bobbers, whatever you want to call them. Some bullet weights, some regular weights, and some beetle spins. That's all I have in there. And these just slide right in. They just comes up and closes, basically. Just go into here. See what I have in here. Bunch of stuff. Bunch of stuff. As a fisherman, you never have enough baits. I have a lot of zoom baits in here. Some zoom lizards, more zoom lizards, more zoom lizards, more zoom lizards. And I'll read out the type of lizard or color. I got some watermelon red lizards, some watermelon red lizards, watermelon seed lizards, yeah, watermelon seed lizards, and some pumpkin lizards. And I have these also, I forgot about these. These are lizards too. These are green pumpkin lizards. I got some Barkley power worms, and these are purple power worms. And I have these Barkley power grubs. Those things look like grubs. Look at them things. Look at them. I ain't used them yet. I haven't used any of this stuff yet. Hoping to in the future, which I will one day. Let me get all these back up in here. Put all these up in there. Let's show them. There we go. Perfect. Perfect fit. Up in here, I got a lot of stuff too. Some zoom worms. These are I cannot read. Chartreuse pumpkin. I just can't read today. Some more zoom lizards. These are pumpkin blue. I got these. My friend actually used these the other day and he snagged one on a limb and lost it. But I got a pack of them. It's okay. These are some red shad worms. Right here, I got some Lucky Strike. These are them too. I need to put these up here. What am I doing? These are some pink tail worms. What am I doing? Throw them up there too. I use those all the time. I don't want me digging through there to try to find them. I got some zoom worms again. Yeah, these are worms. Gold glitter. Ain't used them. Might use them. No, I have used. No. I used these the other day when me and my friend went fishing. We didn't catch nothing though. I have these lizards. These are watermelon lizards. Zoom, of course. Some more zoom. Zoom. These are pumpkin lizards. And now some ugly color in the sunlight. There's our sun coming right behind me. Ooh, just hello rock. Test everything that's in my tackle box. Now let's get to the rods. These are my favorite rods I have. Of course, I have some bluegill and panfish rods, or one rod that I use. This is my bait caster. Like I said, I got that pink-tailed worm on there. This is a Cayman. This is a Shimano rod. I already said that. I ain't gonna try to say that again. Love this little rod. It casts decent. I can't wait to put this to the test today. Come on. Oh my gosh. What am I doing? What am I doing? This thing is not meant for grass. Fix that real quick. There we go. Oh, come on. Come back. Now we're getting somewhere. I just got this, I didn't just get it. It was my dad's old one. And he wasn't using it that much anymore, so I'm not even talking to the camera. What am I doing? Great YouTuber, right? There we go. It was my dad's old one, and he didn't really use it no more, so I took it over. And that's one that had that little thing on there. I forgot what it's called. This ain't my new one I got. I got one for Christmas with this tackle box, and this one works pretty good. I got it before I got that one. I bought this one at Academies. At Academies, and it works really good. I've used this a lot. It's a Angler reel, 1 ball bearing. I know 1 ball bearing is decent, but I like that one a lot better. This is an Angler rod, and it casts really good. I ain't gonna cast it just in case it gets tangled up in weeds and stuff, but it casts really good. I love it. And I'm not, oh, I forgot to mention this. I'm not sponsored by any of these baits or reels or rods or anything. I just do this just to do it. I'm not sponsored by anybody. Ow. I got that top water bait on there. Oh, clear one. I love it. This is a Silver Max rod with a Silver Max reel. God, it's got some backlight. I'll fix that when I go fishing. I just cast out pretty far. What am I saying? It's an Abu Garcia rod with an Abu Garcia. No. Where does it say on there? It don't say. Oh yeah, there it is. Abu Garcia reel. My bad. I don't know what I was thinking about that Silver Max. But great rod. Love it. Love these types of rods that have that right there. You can see it right like that. Love these type of rods. You can hold it right there. Under right there. I love it. Just love these little rods. I got some I think it's like 12-pound test on there. Pretty sure. It's a 6 ball bearing rod. Love it. Favorite rod. And yeah, I'm not sponsored by any of these guys that make this stuff. I just say it for my opinion, basically. I just love this stuff. I love fishing. And I got some good videos coming out, and I got lots of things on my mind about videos and all that. I got some good videos coming out, like really good videos. And I'm going to be doing a $20 fishing challenge sometime next week, I think. Or about in a couple weeks, I'm going to be doing that at Walmart. And I'm going to be doing I ain't going to tell y'all this one. It's going to be a good one. It's going to be a good, my voice cracked. It's going to be a good video. It's going to happen sometime this month, basically. It's going to happen sometime this month. And next month, there's going to be a good video coming out. So, lots of videos coming out. And when I go fishing this afternoon, if I do, not really sure yet, but I'm pretty sure I am. And if I catch anything, I'm not going to take my camera, like I said, because it's just going to be a hassle to blow up the camera, because I got a limited time of fishing. So if I catch anything, I'm going to take a picture of the fish that I catch and the bait, and I'm going to put the bait on one side and the fish on the other side of the screen so y'all can see the fish I caught. So yeah, thanks for watching Hunt King.